So I was not aware of emails or anything because like I said, I've been under the medical care of a medical team. I had an email from my legal team in New Zealand because I have not been keeping up with a lot of the reading because I have a medical issue and I have to get my legal team to sort of look after things for me. Okay? To be honest, I don't know where the Samoan police comes into it. I don't know why the report of people going to the police. So I question that. I am not wanted by the police or anybody in New Zealand. It's not a criminal matter. There is no investigation going on in New Zealand. The only issue I have in New Zealand is to do with this Surrey Hotel, okay, which is to do with an account that's been disputed. I never left the country without paying, because you think about it, no hotel or no business would let a bill go so high and let someone stay there and go up to $18,000 and not receive $1. So you have to question that. So I stayed there for 5 weeks, and are they saying they never charged the credit card once for 5 weeks? How can you let somebody stay in a hotel for 5 weeks and not pay $1? Okay? This hotel is in dispute of the account. The New Zealand legal team are handling it. They've been handling it before the article came out in New Zealand. It's been ongoing since May, April, May this year. They want to negotiate now. It's a civil matter, and a lot of what this woman said, I don't think she expected it to go in the paper. It was all too personal. I had a text message from a friend to a friend. My friend contacted me because I just came out of hospital. Said that on the radio Monday night and TV all night that the police was looking for me in Samoa. I went to the police station and they didn't know anything. I didn't come to Samoa for business or anything. I come here for personal reasons. Okay, I'm not here to do business. I'm here to do the Samoa for personal reasons. Okay. Okay. I never stayed there for 2 weeks. At Lynn Gateway, never stayed there for 2 weeks. Lynn Gateway, I went in on a Wednesday, and I was under emergency care the Tuesday, and I was in non-communication until I got a hold of a friend because I needed to make contact with somebody in case something happened. So I was just on my own, going through the medical stuff. My friend came and saw me and made contact with Lynn Gateway and spoke to them and let them know where I was. So I never stayed there for 2 weeks, not even 1 week. But they have been contacted twice. And they were told that as soon as I come out of hospital, we will make arrangements on what was owed at that time, and I will pay them. So that's what the message. And they responded to my friend. My friend made contact with Lynn last week. I'm okay, but I'm still not to 100%, okay? Where would I get a check from? I've never fought with a document in my life. So where did I get the check from?